out how to eat it. You know.
Yes, he kept
flip it on its side. He couldn't figure out how to speak it.
Yes, it took him quite a while of moving around and carrying it all in its beak and walking quite a ways. Finally, he decided it actually tastes good once you get inside. Why? We don't know. It looked like a disgusting little piece of tongue. But we know the seagulls like it, so that's why we fed it to it, because we want the shell. And are not willing to clean out the food inside it. Now, does this make us eat it all? Who knows? But for sure, it will go down in the annals of time. That's right. Go, little bird, go. Uh-oh. Got little feeders coming on the side. Delicacy. See, he's even afraid to eat it. Like we were afraid to open it.
I wonder if it's like screaming in horror or just...
No, I think we killed it already.
Yeah.
I think when we washed its innards out to sea.
It's probably...
I think it was done by
like a heart or something.
Something important anyway, washed out of it when we went to go wash the sand off it. Hoping it would live.
Oopsies.
Apparently we're not very good at reviving dead clams, which we had fried open.
Come on, would you hurry up already?
Kind of taking a sweet time, a little piece at a time. I think it's because he's afraid to eat it. Now, if we rush him, do you think he'll just fly off with the shell?
He probably will.
He probably will.
You know what's in it. He's walking backwards again.
For some reason, as he's been eating it, he has been walking backwards for quite some time now. Somehow, the act of walking backwards makes it easier to digest.
What are you doing with it? I can't even see it anymore.
He's just got it. There he is, having trouble getting inside again. Freaking out. Ew! He came out with like its nastiness. Yeah!
That's so gross.
Obviously the clam gave up fighting. As it is now freely removing its flesh from the shell. That was pretty gross.
Yeah, it was. It looks like shit because it's all covered in sand and it's just slimy.
And yet the bird continues to digest it.
Sandblast his innards.
Oh, jeez. Okay, do you want to rush the bird for the shell?
Yeah. Okay, let's rush the bird.
Okay, ready?
Ready. Go.